Hello from Fiordland National Park in New Zealand. This is Jerry Grant Gibson of Travels with Jerry, and I am on board the beautiful Diamond Princess of Princess Cruises, and I am halfway through a 12-day Australia-New Zealand cruise. What we're looking at here is the entrance to Thompson Sound, which is part of Fiordland National Park in New Zealand. We're spending the day here doing scenic cruising, and it looks like we're going to have some beautiful views this afternoon. We've already been through Milford Sound, and we're entering Thompson Sound, and we'll be doing Dusky Sound later today. So the sun is trying to peek out, but the scenery is still stunning any way you look at it. I'm here on the balcony of on Dolphin Deck 9. We have a mini suite. I'm here with my Australia New Zealand Discovery group, and we have a great huge balcony here. And here is take a peek at our mini suite. There we've been very comfortable. We've had an ultimate balcony breakfast this morning, and we have commentary from a park ranger telling us what we're seeing this afternoon. So, this is what you can expect to experience on an Australia-New Zealand cruise with Princess Cruises. So, give me a call if you'd like to have this experience yourself. And I'm Jerry. My company is M&E Unlimited Travel, and I'd love to help you make your way to the land down under. I will try to get additional shots of this lovely part of the world as the day goes on. So check out my YouTube channel, Jerry Gibson, Gipson, for more travel videos. We've got some hardy souls up on the bridge, top of the bridge. Some serious photo nuts up there. Getting some stunning views of Thompson Sound, Fiordland National Park, New Zealand. And this is January the 11th, 2013. And we're just at the entrance to Thompson Sound.